Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing okay. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a C compiler with VS Code. Let's get started. Now this video is divided into two parts. On the first part, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the compiler into your computer, and then I'm going to set up the compiler with the VS Code. To compile our C programs, we need something called GCC, and we get this file with the MinGW file bundles. We are going to download this file from winlibs.com as a zip file. And we are going to download another file called 7zip, which we are going to use to unzip the file that we would download from winlib.com. Now we are going to type in winlibs.com into Google, and the first link that shows up, we're going to click into that. Now let's download our 7zip first from this link. It's going to take us to the 7zip website, and we're going to download the exe file for the 64-bit version. Before we start setting up our compiler, let's look at what we are getting. As I said before, we are getting the GCC and MinGW for Windows, and this project, which is WinLibs, they build versions of this that runs natively on Windows, and you can as well see it also includes additional files like GBP, GNU, and GNUMake, etc. If you want to learn more about them, you can research on your own. There are three ways GCC can be built. One of them is POSIX, which is compatible with most other platforms. So remember POSIX, because this is going to be relevant in the next few slides. The file that we are going to be downloading is going to be UCRT runtime library. So this file comes in two versions, as VCRT and UCRT. Why would we download UCRT? Because this is the latest one that only runs on Windows 10 or higher versions like Windows 11. But if you are running Windows 7 or, God forbid, Windows Vista or XP, you have to download VCRT. Now we're going to download the zip file in the UCRT runtime section with the label POSIX threads. Now that we have all the necessary files installed in our computer, we are going to start with installing the 7zip. After that, we are going to unzip the file that we have downloaded from winlib.com. And once that's done, we are going to copy the folder containing those files, and then we're going to click on this PC, and then we are going to go into our C drive's root folder, and we're going to paste the file there. One thing to note is if you change the name of the folder, do not include any spaces. If you include any spaces, the program, the C compiler, is not going to compile your file. It's just one of the old problems. Now we will go inside the folder and look for a folder called bin, and we are going to copy the path to that folder so that we can set it to environment variable later. Now we are going to search for environment variable in the search bar and click on it, and the pop-up will appear, and then we will click path and then click edit and then click new, and then we are going to paste our environment variable and then click OK and click OK, and we're done.